Hey, how you doing? This is Mr. Braboy, and I want to welcome you to the podcast. I'm not going to be a long, drawn out podcast for me because I like to teach people one-on-one. They ask me questions, and then I can do a better job of assessing what situation they're in, how long they've been in a situation, and what their goal is within a certain time. I already know what type of deals that I have on the table, already know what I'm offering, and we can discuss the terms and the agreement. But I first have to know where you are and how much you understand about what it is that you're asking about real estate or about the purchase or the sale of your business or about joining or putting a real estate division in your business. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a construction sales representative. I'm an independent contractor because of the deals I like to do. My deals are for me to work with people who are creating real estate and creating developments and developing land and building real estate portfolios within their business. So when I say that Mr. Braboy sells, I stream my deals and I do pay-per-view. I have a pay-per-view platform where I'm not really doing any lessons. What I am doing is interviewing and giving people information that they may need live, and they are paying me live for that particular information. So this is yet a podcast here. And when I began doing the interviews on this podcast, you'll understand the nature of the platform that I've created here. And it'll give you something really to hold on to, because I've noticed that there's a lot of people, good people, strong people, smart people, who are giving advice here on YouTube and on other platforms. But at the end of the day, you see the ticket cost of their product or their service, but you don't have any direct connection to them. So what they're doing is mass producing education and selling it through pretty much the same way I'm going to sell it, but you at least have the benefit of speaking to me live and paying the same way that you get paid. You can see the value if I'm charging $100 an hour for a particular session versus $30 an hour for a particular session. You can see the value in possibly spending $90 on learning something that could make you $100,000 versus you spending $5,000 and $10,000 on something, and you never get an opportunity to actually speak to the person who's claiming to have that particular knowledge, or possibly pointing you or allowing you to speak to someone that they know, bringing you on, or seeing the deal. How about doing a deal or buying some education from someone and you don't get a chance to ever see a real deal? So that's why I've created this platform, this way of doing it. This is Mr. Brayboy. Like I said, I don't do long podcasts. I just get right to the point. If you want to speak to me live, you can schedule an appointment, or you could purchase go to the iStream. When I stream deals. That's the name of my website. When I stream deals, I stream deals. It's just that simple. The link is below, and let's get to it. Let's go.